How important is money and being financially free to you? I mean, really think about it. What would it mean for you to be able to do what you want, when you want, without having to worry about money? To travel the world, buy your dream home, or simply have the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're financially secure? For many people, financial freedom seems like an impossible dream. They work hard, but they never seem to get ahead. They're stuck in a cycle of debt and scarcity, and they don't see a way out. But what if I told you that it doesn't have to be this way? What if I told you that there are proven methods that can help you achieve financial freedom no matter your current situation? I was stuck in that cycle for years. Despite making money, I couldn't keep it and was always in debt, borrowing from friends and family. I had to find a way out. That's when I discovered the power of the subconscious mind and how it was impacting my financial life. In my new book, Money Mindset: Reprogram Your Subconscious Mind for Wealth, I share the 3 simple but effective methods that I use to break free and achieve financial freedom. And in this video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek at those powerful methods. The first secret to building wealth and gaining financial freedom is to harness the incredible power of your imagination. This might sound surprising, but it's a fundamental truth that many successful people understand and utilize. Now you might be thinking, imagination? Isn't that just for kids and daydreamers? It's a common misconception, but imagination is a powerful tool that can be used by anyone, regardless of age. And while it's true that children are masters of imagination, somewhere along the line, many of us lose touch with this powerful tool. We forget how to dream and envision possibilities beyond our current reality. We get bogged down in the day-to-day realities of life and forget to dream big. The pressures of work, responsibilities, and the hustle and bustle of daily life can stifle our creative thinking. But here's the thing. Your imagination is not just a way to escape reality, it's a way to create it. By tapping into your imagination, you can start to shape your future and turn your dreams into tangible outcomes. Think about it. Everything that exists in the world today, every invention, every work of art, every business, started as a thought in someone's mind. It all began with a spark of imagination. Someone dared to imagine something different, something better, something that didn't exist before. They took that initial thought and nurtured it into reality. And through their imagination, they brought it into being. They visualized the steps, overcame obstacles, and persisted until their vision was realized. The same principle applies to your financial life. Your financial success starts with a vision, a clear picture of what you want to achieve. If you want to achieve financial freedom, you need to start by imagining it. Picture yourself living a life free from financial worries. Close your eyes and visualize yourself living the life of your dreams. See every detail vividly in your mind. See yourself traveling the world, owning your dream home, having financial abundance. Imagine the freedom and joy that comes with financial security. Feel the emotions of joy, freedom, and security that come with being financially free. But don't stop there. Use these feelings to fuel your motivation and drive. Your imagination is not just about seeing the end goal, it's about creating a roadmap to get there. Break down your vision into actionable steps. Use your imagination to visualize the steps you need to take to achieve your financial goals. See yourself taking each step with confidence and determination. See yourself saving money, investing wisely, and making smart financial decisions. Imagine the strategies and actions that will lead you to financial success. The more you engage your imagination, the more real your financial goals will become to your subconscious mind. Your mind will start to believe in the possibility of achieving these goals. And as your subconscious mind begins to believe in the possibility of financial freedom, it will start to work tirelessly behind the scenes to make it happen. You'll find yourself more focused and driven. You'll find yourself naturally drawn to opportunities, resources, and people who can help you achieve your financial dreams. Your imagination will guide you towards the right path. Remember, your imagination is a powerful tool. It's the starting point of all great achievements. Use it wisely, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. The possibilities are limitless when you dare to dream. Don't underestimate the power of visualization. It's a technique used by many successful individuals to turn their dreams into reality. Take the time to create a clear and detailed mental picture of your financial goals, and watch as your subconscious mind goes to work to make them a reality. Your imagination is the key to unlocking your financial potential. Now that we've tapped into the power of imagination, let's move on to the second secret: affirmations. Affirmations are a crucial tool in the journey towards financial success and abundance. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, either out loud or silently, to reprogram your subconscious mind for success. They act as a bridge between your current mindset and the prosperous mindset you aspire to develop. They are powerful tools for change because they help to replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. By consistently using affirmations, you can transform your thought patterns and align them with your financial goals. You see, our subconscious minds are like fertile ground. Whatever seeds we plant in them, whether positive or negative, will take root and grow. Just as a garden flourishes with the right care, our minds thrive on positive reinforcement. If we constantly tell ourselves negative things like "I'll never be rich" or "money is the root of all evil," then those beliefs will take root in our subconscious minds and shape our reality. These negative affirmations can create mental blocks that hinder our financial progress. But the good news is that we can choose to plant different seeds. We have the power to change our internal dialogue and focus on positive, wealth-attracting thoughts. We can choose to plant seeds of abundance, prosperity, and financial freedom. By doing so, we nurture a mindset that is conducive to attracting wealth and opportunities, and that's where affirmations come in. They serve as the daily reminders and reinforcements of the financial reality we wish to create. By repeating positive affirmations about money and wealth, we can start to change the negative programming in our subconscious minds. This shift in mindset is essential for manifesting financial success. We can start to believe that we are worthy of wealth, that money flows easily into our lives, and that we are capable of achieving financial freedom. These beliefs become the foundation upon which we build our financial future. Here are a few examples of powerful affirmations you can use. These affirmations are designed to instill a sense of financial confidence and abundance. I am a money magnet. This affirmation helps to attract financial opportunities and prosperity. Wealth flows into my life easily and effortlessly. This statement reinforces the idea that financial abundance is natural and effortless. I am worthy of financial abundance. Believing in your worthiness is crucial for attracting and maintaining wealth. I am in control of my finances, and I make smart financial decisions. This affirmation empowers you to take charge of your financial destiny. Money is a tool that I use to create a life of freedom and purpose. Viewing money as a tool helps to shift your perspective from scarcity to abundance. The key to using affirmations effectively is to repeat them regularly with feeling and conviction. The emotional intensity behind the words amplifies their impact. Don't just mindlessly repeat the words, engage with them fully and let them resonate within you. Really feel the truth of the affirmations as you say them. Imagine the emotions and sensations of living in financial abundance. Visualize yourself already living in a state of financial abundance. This visualization reinforces the affirmations and makes them more powerful. You can incorporate affirmations into your daily routine by repeating them first thing in the morning before you go to bed, or even while you're driving or doing other activities. Consistency is key to embedding these positive beliefs. The more you repeat them, the more deeply they will be embedded in your subconscious mind. Repetition helps to solidify these new beliefs. Remember, your subconscious mind is always listening. It absorbs the messages you feed it, so make sure those messages are positive and empowering. Make sure you're feeding it with positive, empowering beliefs about money and wealth. By doing so, you set the stage for a prosperous and abundant life. Chapter 3. The Importance of Gratitude. Now let's move on to the third and final secret to building wealth and gaining financial freedom. Gratitude. Gratitude is more than just a feeling. It's a powerful force that can transform your life. It's a mindset that can shift your entire perspective and open doors to new opportunities. When you're grateful, you shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. This simple shift in focus can have profound effects on your overall well-being and financial health. You start to appreciate the abundance that already exists in your life, and this opens you up to receiving even more. It's like planting seeds of positivity that grow into a garden of abundance. You see, the universe operates on a principle of reciprocity. What you put out into the world, you get back in return. The more you give thanks for what you have, the more you attract things to be thankful for. It's a cycle of positivity that keeps on giving. Gratitude acts like a magnet, drawing more abundance into your life. It's a powerful tool that can change your financial situation for the better. When it comes to finances, gratitude is especially important. It helps you maintain a positive outlook, even when things are tough. Many people focus on what they don't have. Enough money, they're in debt. They can't afford the things they want. This focus on lack creates a negative energy that can be hard to break free from. This type of scarcity mindset only repels wealth and abundance. It's like putting up a barrier that prevents good things from coming into your life. On the other hand, when you're grateful for the money you do have, even if it's not a lot, you're sending a message to the universe that you're open to receiving more. This openness invites more opportunities and financial blessings. You're acknowledging the good that already exists in your financial life, and this creates a positive energy that attracts more abundance. It's like turning on a light in a dark room. So how can you cultivate more gratitude in your life? It's simple. It starts with small, daily practices that build over time. Start by making a list of all the things you're grateful for, both big and small. This list can be a powerful reminder of the good in your life. You might be grateful for your health, which allows you to enjoy life and pursue your goals. Your family, who provide love and support. Your friends, who bring joy and companionship. Your home, which offers comfort and security. Your job, which provides income and purpose. Or even just the simple pleasures in life, like a beautiful sunset or a good cup of coffee. These small moments can bring immense joy. Once you have your list, take some time each day to reflect on these things. This daily practice can help reinforce a positive mindset. Really feel the gratitude in your heart. Let it fill you up and overflow into every aspect of your life. You can also express your gratitude to others by writing thank you notes, giving compliments, or simply telling people how much you appreciate them. These acts of kindness can strengthen your relationships and spread positivity, or simply telling people how much you appreciate them. This not only makes others feel good, but also reinforces your own sense of gratitude. The more you practice gratitude, the more natural it will become. It will become a part of who you are. You'll find yourself noticing and appreciating the good in your life more and more, and this will create a positive ripple effect that will touch every area of your life, including your finances. This positive energy will help you attract more of what you desire and deserve. So there you have it, the 3 secrets to building wealth and gaining financial freedom fast. Remember, it all starts with your mindset. Use your imagination to visualize your financial goals, reprogram your subconscious mind for wealth with affirmations, and cultivate an attitude of gratitude. These 3 methods are simple, but they are incredibly powerful. Don't underestimate their ability to transform your financial life. Apply them consistently, and you'll be amazed at the results. For a more in-depth guide to reprogramming your subconscious mind for wealth, be sure to check out my book, Money Mindset: Reprogram Your Subconscious Mind for Wealth, available on Amazon. In it, you'll find even more powerful techniques and strategies to help you achieve your financial dreams. Start your journey to financial freedom today. You can get Richard Trillian Mante's book, Money Mindset: Reprogram Your Subconscious Mind for Wealth, from Amazon. Link. Kindly support this channel by pressing like, leaving a comment, sharing, and subscribing to get future amazing videos.